MetaMask is one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets for accessing the Ethereum blockchain. It acts as your gateway to the world of decentralized finance and blockchain applications. In this tutorial, you'll learn everything you need to know about setting up and using MetaMask safely and effectively. MetaMask is a browser extension that functions as a cryptocurrency wallet. It runs directly in your web browser like Chrome or Firefox, making it convenient to use. The wallet serves as a bridge between your browser and the Ethereum blockchain, allowing you to interact with decentralized applications. You can store, send, and receive Ethereum and ERC-20 tokens securely. Most importantly, MetaMask gives you full control over your private keys, meaning no third party has access to your funds. This is called self-custody, and it's one of the key principles of cryptocurrency. Installing MetaMask is straightforward. First, visit the official website at metamask.io using your preferred browser. Click the download button and select your browser from the options, which include Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or Edge. You'll be redirected to your browser's extension store where you can install MetaMask. After installation, pin the extension to your browser toolbar so you can access it easily whenever you need it. When you open MetaMask for the first time, you'll see two options. The first option is to create a new wallet, which is recommended if you're starting fresh. This will generate a brand new wallet with a unique secret recovery phrase. The second option is to import an existing wallet, which is useful if you already have a MetaMask wallet and want to restore it using your existing secret recovery phrase. For most beginners, you'll want to choose the Create New Wallet option. Your secret recovery phrase is the most important part of your wallet. It consists of 12 random words that act as the master key to your funds. MetaMask will display these 12 words, and you must write them down on paper in the exact order shown. Never store your recovery phrase digitally, such as in a text file or screenshot, as this makes it vulnerable to hackers. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, not even MetaMask support. If someone gets access to your recovery phrase, they can steal all your funds. Store multiple backup copies in secure physical locations to ensure you never lose access to your wallet. The MetaMask interface is designed to be user-friendly. At the top, you'll see your account information, including your wallet address, account name, and current Ethereum balance. The Assets tab shows all your tokens, including ETH and any ERC-20 tokens you've added, along with their current values. The Activity tab displays your transaction history, including all sends, receives, and swaps you've performed. The Settings menu provides access to security settings, network configurations, contacts, and advanced features for more experienced users. Receiving funds in MetaMask is simple. Your wallet address is a unique string of characters that starts with 0x. To copy your address, click on your account name at the top of the wallet. Share this address with anyone who wants to send you Ethereum or ERC-20 tokens. After the sender initiates the transaction, you'll need to wait for it to be confirmed on the blockchain. Once confirmed, the funds will appear in your wallet automatically. To send funds from MetaMask, start by clicking the Send button in your wallet. Next, enter or paste the recipient's wallet address carefully. Even a single wrong character will send your funds to the wrong address. Then enter the amount of ETH or tokens you want to send. Before confirming, review all the details including the recipient address, amount, and gas fees. Gas fees are the transaction costs paid to miners for processing your transaction. Once you're certain everything is correct, approve the transaction. Remember, blockchain transactions cannot be reversed, so always double-check the recipient address before confirming. MetaMask automatically displays your Ethereum balance, but other tokens need to be added manually. ERC-20 is a technical standard for tokens built on the Ethereum blockchain. To add popular tokens like USDT, USDC, or DAI, click Import Tokens and search for them by name. If you want to add a less common token, you can add it manually using its contract address. You can find contract addresses on Etherscan, which is a blockchain explorer for Ethereum. Simply copy the contract address and paste it into MetaMask to add the token to your wallet. Security is crucial when using MetaMask. Always write down your seed phrase on paper and never store it digitally on your computer or phone. Be extremely careful of phishing sites that try to steal your information. Always verify you're on the official MetaMask.io website before entering any information. When connecting to decentralized applications, review the permissions carefully to understand what access you're granting. Keep your browser and MetaMask extension updated to the latest version for security patches. Never share your private key or seed phrase with anyone, no matter who they claim to be. Finally, when sending large amounts, test with a small transaction first to make sure everything works correctly. With these practices in mind, you're ready to use MetaMask safely and confidently. Welcome to the world of Ethereum and decentralized finance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.